Are you a local business looking to gain more leads and connect with potential customers in your area? Hi, I'm Temo here at JTK Marketing. We'll help you set up, manage, and understand Google local service ads for your business. We are strictly focusing on making your business grow. Everything else is just a vanity metric for us. With Google local service ads, your business is able to get a Google verified badge, stand out at the very top of Google search results, and grab the attention of potential customers before they even scroll. Whether you're a plumber, electrician, locksmith, or any other service provider, Google local service ads puts you in front of the right customer at the right time. And the best part of it all, you are only paying Google if the phone rings. We are a US-based company, have more than 15 years of experience with Google Ads, and are an official Google partner. Our clients spend hundreds of thousands of dollars a year in ads, and we have received excellent reviews for our jobs in the past. Reach out to us and learn how we can make Google local service ads work for you.